Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this video I'm not going to talk about any kind of technical jargons. Instead of that, I'm going to give you some tips. Based on my experience, I'm going to give you some tips today. And also in this world, no one is perfect, including myself and everyone in the world. So everyone one time at the beginners, so they will learn something different from so many resources. Let me tell you one thing. Normally, maybe you will, if you are look someone, right? So at the time what you're thinking is he is a very talented person. Let's say for example he is a very talented person. You are thinking you also want to be a person like him, right? So he have that ability, I want also that kind of ability. So in this time what you're thinking is, so you are trying very hard to do, or you can try your best to be a best version, right? But sometimes you will think, I can't do that work, so that person can do but I can't do that. So that kind of negative thoughts come into your mind. So that's what the truth is. Let me tell you an example. If you are attract with the positive thoughts, you have many things to attract with. But if you are attract with the negative thoughts, you attract many things with the negative thoughts. That's what the truth is. It's not all about always you are positive. You sometimes become a negative, the negative thoughts will come into your mind. So that's what the human nature is, right? So in this video what I want to tell actually is the negativity, right? So how to mitigate or how to manage these negative thoughts. And if you feel like stress, right? If you feel like stress, how to manage that as well, and how to convert those negative thoughts to positive thoughts. That's what we are going to see in this video. Let's say for example you are learning coding, right? So maybe the video you are seeing, maybe sometimes you are a beginner, maybe you are an advanced person or a profession in your field or industry. But what I want to tell is, no matter your proficiency, whether you are beginners or freshers or you are a proficient in your industry's field, always you are not to be a positive person. That's what the truth is, including myself. I'm not telling I'm always be a positive person. Sometimes negative thoughts always come into the mind when you are, let's say for example, if you are working on some project and you have got assigned one particular task to do. So at the time what you are doing is, if you are stuck at middle, let's say for example, if you are stuck at middle, what you are going to do? So basically there's no way to resolve it. Let's say for example you can ask a help from other persons, right? So maybe sometimes due to their busyness, sometimes they don't have a time to connect with you, so it's very difficult, right? Then the positive person also at the time become a negative. The negative thought will come into your mind, okay, why I can't do this? Okay, sometimes you will think, what is the thing I want to do that? So how can I do that? So sometimes you search and multiple days, not on multiple hours. So searching. If you want to do that task, you need to search the Google search engine, right? You are searching Google multiple way to resolve that or that implement that task, right? But you can't do that. Let's say you can't actually in your mind there's no thoughts coming to your mind, you are totally collapsed, let's say. So then this mindset will come in, this will keep you feel something negative. So this is coming, so I feel like oh, I can't do that, how can I do these tasks, and likewise, right? So this kind of mindset definitely comes. So in this time I want to tell you one thing. So if you feel like that, because I already joined in many groups in Facebook, some of the developers asking like crazy questions like, I feel like a stress, right? So I want to quit the job because I can't feel very well, even they have assigned some task, I can't do that task. So that kind of negativity or negative mindset is get created. So I'm telling here how to avoid those kind of negativity thoughts. I already tell you example, but So how you can mitigate those things? If you feel like you can't do that task, or you can't what you can say, actually you don't have any idea at the time to resolve or implement that solution, so what you need to do is you need to take a break. That is what the best answer, that is what the best way to recharge your battery. That's what I want to say here. So this will boost your brain or the thinking way, so you are focusing out of that solution, so you are enjoying something and focus out this problem for a while and for some time, and you are come up again after the break, or after let's say for example, if you get stuck, just take your bike or your car and go out, right? Come up again. If you're not, just chill out with someone in your colleagues, or go out and go. Normally you can see in all the industries, in the IT industries normally have a chill room, right? Chill out room. So in the chill out room you can see, you can play some football stuff and gaming, you can play PlayStation's games, right? You can play carom. Likewise, there's so many things are there. So if you feel like that at the time the solutions or the way implementation is not coming to your mind, what you need to do is just go and chill out. So in that time mind will get refreshed, right? So after that, come to your desk and do the work. Definitely that will going to work out. That is the one way to do that. So normally everyone have the problem right now. You can see after this COVID, right, everyone are doing work from home, including myself. And here the positivities and negativities are totally different here. So when you are working on industry, right, when you are working on industry, at the time if you want to go some out, and you can go out and you can chill out, you can go to chill out area and play with your friends, or you can go to cafeteria and take some break, or you can buy anything and you can eat. But the work from home is totally different, that I want to tell here as well. And you can see here, when you wake up, normally you need to attend the DSMs or meetings, right? DSM mean daily stand-up meeting. So in that meeting, normally asking what are the tasks you have completed yesterday and what are the plan today. Those kind of things you need to give the updates, right? So that's a normal behavior in the DSM. Anyway, let's come into the point. So when you are doing working from home, many people are shouting, or there's so many noise, right? So I'm saying, so many problems are going on here, right? Many problems will definitely going when you are doing a work from home. You need to what you can say, you need to adjust those things, and you need to do your task, right? So work from home is little bit different, but still you have a time, or still you can recharge your batteries. That's what I want to say. And if you are sometimes let's say for example, if you are stuck at one thing when you are doing work from home, yeah, the remote people are definitely help, but let's say for example you feel like something negative, right? At that time what you need to do, just hold everything, right? Just hold everything, hold every works, stop what you are doing, right? Stop what you are doing and come out, or you can watch the TV, or you can watch YouTube some videos, right? Watch some videos in YouTube, or comedy scenes, or go through your Facebook walls and do some refresh your mind, right? So the thing is we need to refresh our mind. So mind is the problem. If you think like I can't do that, definitely you can't do that. But if you think I can do that, yes, you can do that. So that's what I want to tell here. So mindset is the mindset is very important always. Not only life, not only industry, the always mindset is very powerful, and mindset is very important. If you keep your thought positive, you can attract with many things, right? So that is the one way to think like different. So definitely as a human, we not every times positive, sometimes negative thoughts also coming. That is the human's nature. So we can't do anything with that, but we can, what you can say, we can change that. we can change that negativity to positivity. So that is the thing. So other thing is people's talking, I'm getting very stressful here. So when you are doing works, or when you are performing your tasks, you feel like some stress. So that is I saw one of the posts that is very crazy. I'm not showing here, but I read that poster and the comments that people's given to him, and yeah, absolutely, the stress is always there. Absolutely, if you, no matter whether you are start a business, no matter whether you are working at somewhere, right, stress is always there. Stress is always there. That is, we can't do anything with that, but you can adjust that stress, right? You can manage that stress. That is can possible. So chill out, always chill, then definitely you will do many works, that I'm pretty sure, because I'm also feel like that. I'm also a person, I'm also a human. I also feel like negative sometimes. Yeah, that's true, but at the time what I'm doing is just hold every work, and I'm not going to do any works today. And what I'm doing is I'm going to watch the TV or movie in the night with the family, or playing games. That is what I'm doing, right? So absolutely, that is the way we can manage the stress, and we can manage our negative thoughts. That is the way, right? So other thing is, how can I learn? The learning is a problem. So if I want to be a advanced developer, how can I learn? Let me tell you one thing. When this video getting started, I already told you, no one is perfect in this world, including myself. So everyone are beginners at that time. After that they become advanced. Even after they become advanced, they will still learn, right? So coding is like, if you're coming one day and if you are read something and keep everything in your mind, that is not a programming, right? So that is different. You can in the school, you can go to school and you can keep remember everything in your mind. That is okay, fine. When you are coming to the exam, you can write it, but in the programming is totally different. Even you don't need to keep everything in your mind. Basically, if you know the concept, right, if you know the concept, right, then you can definitely do whatever you want, right? So that kind of things is already there. So what you need to do is, you need to do always practice. You need to practice yourself always. So normally when I was getting a free times, I'm referring resources, right? So many resources in nowadays, you know, in the internet world, so many things are there. You can learn from anywhere. Even YouTube is there and Google is there. So many things are there. You can search and learn anything you want. That is what the truth is. That option is already there. So you don't need to be 100% perfect, man, right? So you don't need to be 100% at everything, right? So learn the fundamental and the concept, right? So that's fine. Even you don't know something and you didn't get a chance to learn that, that's fine. But sometimes will come to learn that as well. So at the time, learn that. That is fine. So that's why I'm saying, no one is perfect in this world, including myself and everyone. Everyone in this world, no one is perfect. So everyone are learners. Learning. Everyone's are learning something new, always and all days. That is what I want to tell here. So if you want to become advanced or become a professional at one area, you need to practice it, right? You need to practice and you need to do practically. Many stuff you need to do practically, then you become a, what you can say, you become a profession in your area. So yeah, that's what I want to tell in this video. And I saw in nowadays many people feel like frustrating. I know that I can understand, because there's so many problems going on, right? So not only we are as a nation, we are facing, everyone are facing economic crisis, and at the same time you can see every family have multiple problems and many problems, and the stress is, that kind of a stress also become due to that as well, and you need to manage your work life as well. So many things are there. That's what I'm saying. So I think these tips will definitely helpful to you, and that's the reason I create this video. That's why I'm not doing any technical stuff, and I decided to talk about this as well. So I hope you will get some kind of idea in this video, and I believe that. And then let's meet you on new video then. Bye.